What's up, guys? Chef Nelson Herman here, Top Chef Season 18. Right here at Sobre Mesa, my beautiful cocktail bar. We're doing a cool cocktail, a twist on Espresso Martini, one of my favorites, with our friends at Mr. Espresso. Most delicious coffee. We're doing a nice Caribbean twist on it. We're gonna feature Boy Abishar's whiskey, some Allspice Dram, Licor 43, and some Demerara Sugar. So, let's do this. Oh shit, you didn't catch that? Yeah, let me do that. Tasting this beautiful Espresso Martini, so a little Caribbean style. I have no name for it yet, but you know, think of something. Let's taste. Oh yeah. Byron, Jamie, Abishar, Chris, you guys will be proud, man. This is fucking awesome. Mr. Espresso, here, Chef Nelson, Sobre Mesa. Cheers.